ran into a little bit of an emergency today. We have had a lot of rain, and pardon the way I look, but we've had a lot of rain and a lot of flooding here, and one of our ponds is overflowing now over one of our levees, threatening to cut the levees. So I'm going to take you down there and see what we're doing. We're trying to run 2 pumps now to drain as much water as we can. So just come along. Alright, there's my dad. He's headed down to take some more pump hose down to my husband. I'll show you in just a second some of the stuff that we're dealing with. I'll kind of follow him. We got a lot of rain right in a very short period of time, and you can see down there the water is running into this little pond faster than it can drain, and also that's where my parents' septic tank was, and the dirt has caved in right there. And then way over there you see it overtopping our levee, and there's my husband with the tractor and the generator. So I'm gonna back up and go I'm gonna back up and go on the other side. Stay out of their way. Kind of see. We had to separate some chickens, so we had a temporary shelter over our chicken run, which is normally open with just a hawk net, and you can see it's cutting a trench down into that little gully, and we got so much rain that collapsed. Let me get where I can raise this windshield or get over here by it. That collapsed on us and pulled our fencing down, which it was never supposed to be a permanent roof. We had it up there, and you can see there is standing water even up here. We just had until we could put the chickens back in the same coop and make some changes. So it was just a temporary thing. It's no big deal, but that came down, and now we have this issue. And I'm just gonna park right here and try to stay out of the way. There is my husband and my dad. We can walk out here. See how high this little pond is. There's my dad. Hopefully you might not be able to hear me. I'm gonna walk away over here, away from the tractor and the generator. He's got 2 pumps he's trying to run. Me and the kids couldn't, he had to leave work to come bring it. Me and the kids couldn't lift the generator and get it on the bucket of the tractor by ourselves and get it down here. And I called him and said, it's going over. So he went ahead and came home, and we've got a lot more rain coming tonight and this weekend. Actually, we've got a lot of rain coming through. So we're just gonna do what we can do. Both this lake and this pond was almost completely dry with the drought this summer. I mean, it was very, I wouldn't say completely dry, but it was very, very low. And it has, we haven't even gotten into spring, and it's already filled completely back up. The lake is almost back to its summer depth, and then this one got a little bit too much. So up there's our house, and everything's running down the hills. It's cutting little trenches and stuff going down that hill right there, and then that's where that septic system is. So
Farms Homestead. We are fighting water out here. We got our pond right here. If you want to pan over there, this is our little upper pond. It's above our big lake, and boy, this gully washer of the water came, a thunderstorm came, and it's going over the levee, and people that built it didn't put a standpipe in, so we're having to pump water. We got a little electric pump going. I think we're going to have to go get us some trash pumps, and we're going to watch it for a few hours, see if we can get it down where it's manageable. We're going to go from there. So there's always something to do on the homestead.
Always.
We're wet in the water, and we're going to make it happen though.
That's right.
From Easton over here in the father Tom, and there's Michelle behind the camera. You can't see it, but we're going to get it done, and we appreciate y'all coming and tuning in. And she's probably just going to film us. We're going to go over here and check on things. We'll catch back with you later.
All right.
Hey, I can record that. Make sure to like and subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, so, well, we can become a really good YouTube channel, and we can post more videos like this, and
That's right. We're going to have a busy weekend this weekend, after all this rain. We'll probably be doing a lot of filming this weekend. Here comes Daddy up the hill. He's going to put the tractor up. And we've got some roosters that got out when our run fell, so we've got to put those back up. Let's go see if we can help Easton. put him up. Where'd the other one go?
I don't know.
Hey, one of the water bottles fell off the rabbit cage, so okay. Hang on, let me get there. Oh, it's empty. Ah, there he is.
Yeah, come on, let's get him. Mother.
All right, rabbits, hang on just a second. Mama will get you some water. Poor little wet rooster. Easton. I'm videoing. I'm playing cameraman. You got this. I believe in you. I believe in you, Hercules.
Push him into that little cove right there. Inside the chicken spot. Push him in there.
There you go, there you go. Oh, you little rascal. This is hard. He is soaked. They look so weird when they're wet. Poor guys. That was our temporary shelter over our chicken run that fell. Unfortunately, we thought we had it braced enough with PVC pipes, but that rain and wind just got it. Oh, that's our pretty one too, isn't it? With the red neck. Come on, little guy. Don't throw anything at him, son. And watch for snakes. I know it's... You can see how much water is even pooling right there. And then it's all... Just a minute. Move. Then it's all running down this creek, which goes around and into the big lake.
That's a swimming pool. That's just a redneck swimming pool.
Mm-hmm.
And I might go swimming pool in that.
No.
If I can get in it.
No, sir. All right, we're gonna go check our other little pond and try not to tear up our yard any more than we've already tore it up, having to work. So see what damage we got down here.
show y'all. Y'all can see the spillway. There's that redneck boy.
I'm definitely a redneck.
Y'all can see it. It's running over the spillway, which is what it's supposed to do. And
And this is all flooded.
wow, look at that.
That's all rain water.
That is.
How?
Pay attention where you're walking. Look at that. A lot of little river down through there. You can see down through there.
It's flooded. You want to go walk down there?
No.
We're going to stop and go right through here. Oh, stop. Oh, stop.
All right.
Oh.
You can see where it's running down through there.
You want to go down there and show
It's
it?
gonna. No, son, we're gonna stay out of the woods. It's warmed up. The snakes are kind of moving, and we don't have our snake boots, and you got Crocs. We just come to check it out and see what it's doing. Okay?
Okay. If that there's just a redneck swimming pool.
It's a redneck swimming pool. Well, that's,
Seriously, a redneck swimming pool.
well, that is about as much as it's. That's about as much as it's gonna be.
Now,
Going down here, and we have got this is the creek that pond drains into. It goes right over here in one of our little food plots.
yeah, you could fish this. Snake
There we go. I think Nana, I know, the food plots look amazing. They'll have good food this summer because that's where your antler growth comes from, is I don't think Dad wanted to try it.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna come stop this culvert real quick. I'll try to. I'm gonna go through it, not around it.
like and subscribe, babies. I'm trying not to get my jeans wet.
This has a little drainage culvert. It's a beautiful little creek. I love this creek because the whole side of this creek in the summer is covered in like moss and ferns, and I call it my little fern gully because I didn't even have to buy ferns last summer. I just came down here and potted some. I have 2 or 3 different types of ferns that grow down here, and they're all on that hillside right there and all along the side of the creek bank, and it's so pretty.
Culvert got stopped up and washed around it, but we need to put a new culvert in anyway. We'll eventually have to do that. But
Yeah.
this water you see is, of course, a good bit of it's just rain, but that's coming from that pond we just left and draining out in the creek, and it goes into a bigger ditch right there and it keeps on going down the way. So
I'm serious. I want to take off my shirt.
You're gonna end up with worms.
Because you can't swim.
you're all right. Come on, boy. Let's get back to the house. We got to run to the store and get this pump so we can get this pond pumped down.
It acts like, I know there's more rain coming, but it acts like it is turned out, the sun's coming out and it's so pretty.
I told your dad when we was hooking up the pump a minute ago, I said the sun was coming out as we was hooking that up one up, and I said God's showing favor on us.
I just saw a couple of videos.
Okay, it'll be all right.
All right, come on,
Come
kid.
on, let's ride, Clyde.
Yes, ma'am.
You can come down here after a summer shower and swim in the creek.
Actually, I may come down here on my side by side.
Welcome back to Atala Farms Homestead. We're out here fighting water. We had a little upper pond that doesn't have a standpipe. Don't know why they didn't put one in, but it's coming over our levee, and we got a little electric sump pump going, trying to get the water down. I don't think it's going to be enough, and we'll have to go get a gas trash pump, which is what we've been wanting to do. We just haven't. We've been able to manage it with the electric pump, but this rain this time was just too much. And you can see over there, it's trying to cut the levee a little bit, so just like a trip to the bar of the break. We're going to the trash pump, see if we can get it pumped down a little quicker. But won't be the end of the ground if it breaks and it's still big like that. We're going to have to do the dirt pipe for different levels. So we're trying to mitigate it. It's in between thunderstorms right now, but it's supposed to be more coming tonight, so we're going to work on this and see what that electric pump will do while we're getting the gas pump. So we thank you for tuning in. We just watch us see what we do. We're going to fight this water a little bit, and hopefully we can get a handle where the levee don't cut. And we appreciate you, and y'all tune back in just as soon as you can.